Yo, what's up? It's your boy Zeke. How's it going? I'm just driving. Got some stuff to do, some errands to run real quick. But I wanted to come into here today and say, one, thank you for the followers I do have, because you guys are a blessing. Thank you very much. But right to the topic. When I did this video started with 100 and I believe right now I'm at 111 followers. It's not been easy. Really has not. Future self, I am so proud of you. Future everyone, I'm super proud of you for wanting to watch this video. If you like videos like this and you want to see more videos of surviving YouTube, other content, how to deal with content creation, how to do editing, different things like that, let me know in the comments below. If this is the first time here, again, this is your boy Zeke. Like, subscribe, share this content, because guess what? Someone is going to go through the same struggles that I had to. I didn't know anything about YouTube. I didn't know things about how to, thumbnails. I sucked at them. I'm starting to get good at them. I'm letting y'all know. I'm just being honest to myself. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm definitely going to get there, because I started off doing something I was scared to do. YouTube, I was scared to do. I am so happy that I have a video that's actually going to be at 3,000 views, black seed oil, when it comes to growing your penile girth. Yeah, I know, right? That's the video that took off first. That's funny. And my content didn't think it would, but it did so far. But yo, keep growing, everyone. Keep maturing, becoming the best version of you, because there is so much potential that you have. There's so much knowledge that you have obtained through the years. If you don't know what you want to create as a content creator, use this as a base. Take notes. So I hope you do got a pen and paper, because the first thing I'm going to say is this: it's okay to take breaks. It's okay to take breaks. I just took a 3-week break on creating content. I was working on my personal life and getting myself organized even more to be able to give content in a better mental space. It's okay to take breaks. You need a break to recoup, regather yourself, gain that confidence back. Whatever it is that you need to do for yourself, do it. Number 2, be consistent. Consistency. You will not see nothing take off the way you want to if you're not consistent. So be consistent. Make sure you're doing everything you need to do. Number 3, avoid people that say you're not going to make it. Don't be around them, because you need to have people that's very close that believes in you, people that can help you grow. Say, hey, this video was okay, this video wasn't. You want to have constructive criticism. You don't want to have people like, oh, that was just a bad video. Like, when you first starting out, your videos ain't gonna be good. It may, unless you've already done photography or something like that. That's different. If you already started like doing thumbnails, graphic design and stuff like that, let me know in the comments, because I could definitely use some definite help. I am not too good to ask for help. All right, I love to collab with people. Number 4 is probably the most biggest take home for me, is keeping yourself disciplined, writing out a schedule, creating a plan, writing out notes. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm still working on writing out a plan and taking notes and recalibrating what I put down, because it's showing me that I am learning. I'm not there yet, but I will get there. And it's okay to know where you stand at, but create a discipline. Structure your notes, put a journal together, put a log together, see what works, and stay vigilant. Consistency, being diligent to your craft, and being disciplined. An undisciplined life is a mediocre life. I hope you guys got some value out of this today. Let me know what value you got out of this, because this is just a straight raw talk with you guys. I may put some captions up or something like that, but however, I want you guys to know it's okay not to know nothing when you're starting out. I love you guys. Be safe. I know I need some lotion. Leave me alone. If y'all got something to say about that, we can talk about that in the comments below. I love you guys. All right. Have a blessed day. Yo, your boy's back. Peace.